Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. On today's video, I'll show you how to apply eyeshadow perfectly. This video will be helpful for beginners as well. It will be helpful for you if you are having any problem while blending. So without further ado, let's get started. I already did my eyebrows and base. So first I'm starting from my eyeshadow base. For that I'm taking this color from NYX Professional Conceal Correct and Contour Palette and I am applying it all over my eyelid. This is a very important part. It makes eyeshadow more pigmented and makes eyeshadow more long lasting. Now taking a damp beauty blender, I am blending it all. Now to set the concealer, I am applying powder using a small flat blending brush. Before starting eyeshadow, I am gonna show you few parts of our eyes which will help you to understand eyeshadow tutorial more clearly. So this is eyelid. Now this is crease area. This is outer corner. This is inner corner. This is lower lash line. And under the brow arch area, that is brow bone. To blend eyeshadow perfectly, we need proper brushes. So here I am gonna show you these three brushes. This one is flat eyeshadow brush which will help you to apply eyeshadow. This one is also will help you to apply eyeshadow as well in blending but in a small area. Now this one is little bigger than the other brushes. It will help you to blend all the eyeshadows. For eyeshadow today I am using Makeup Revolution 32 eyeshadow palette Flawless 4. So first I am taking these two colors on top and drop using this blending brush and applying on my crease area and slowly blending it. Now I am taking this color drop and again applying it on crease area to more intensify it. Now using the flat eyeshadow brush, I am taking the color Statement and applying it on my eyelid. Now I am taking the color Garnet and applying it on my outer corner using this brush. Now again I am taking the blending brush and blending this all. I am also applying Garnet on my lower lash line and then blending its edges using the color on top. Now I am taking the color Bloom and applying it on my eyelid to get little bit shine. Then I am highlighting my brow bone using the same color Bloom. Off camera I am gonna add false lashes, eyeliner and kajal. This is the final look. If you want, you can only apply mascara. If you want to see how I get this eyeliner, then please check out my eyeliner tutorial. This is a very common but classy eye look. You can wear this daytime, nighttime or any parties. So if you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up. And please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. And if the video is helpful, then please let me know by commenting down. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.